Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's Karli Brand. Thank you so much for watching. So today I want to organize this cupboard right here behind me. So this is my favorite cupboard in my kitchen, and it has all of my healthy supplements and nuts and seeds and everything like that I use for baking and stuff. And I just want to show you guys exactly how I get my jars to be like this, like what I use to write on them, how I organize them and everything. So I just want to kind of walk you through the whole process of organizing this, as well as give you all the details on how I get my jars to look like this. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take out all of these jars, and I'm going to put them on the counter right here. And then some of the jars have writing on them that I did a while ago, and I just don't like the look of it anymore. It's like cursive. If you can kind of see, it says organic coconut sugar, and I just don't really like the look of it anymore, so I'm going to take it off using rubbing alcohol, and then I'm going to rewrite each of the names so that they look more consistent. Okay, so here are all the jars on the counter. And then I got this riser at, what's it called? The Container Store. And I'm just gonna take it out and wash it really quick. These are all of the jars I wanna take the names off and rewrite them. And then this is the pen I'm gonna rewrite them with. It's a Sharpie pen, and you can get it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. But it's just the paint pen. So I like to do it in the color white. And then I'm gonna just use some rubbing alcohol and a paper towel to take all of the Sharpie pen off. Now that I have all of these jars, I've finished writing on them, writing their names, taking off the old names, making sure they look all nice and matchy and pretty. So the jars that I get are also from Walmart. Walmart has the best mason jars, and they're called the Hocking brand. And I love them because if you notice, they don't have any titles, or they don't say ball, or they're just plain glass, which I just think looks really clean and nice. And then the lids are also from Walmart, and you can just get them right next to the mason jars. And so there's two different kinds of lids. There's the regular mouth, which is the smaller mouth, so it's thinner. So the mouth right here is smaller, and then I'll show you the difference. So this is a wide mouth, it's way bigger, and then this is the regular mouth. So depending on what jars you get, the Hocking, I've only been able to find the regular mouth, not the wide mouth, unfortunately, because all the wide mouth have titles on them. So just make sure you get the right lids. And these are all my jars. I kind of have a crazy stash. I love my mason jar stash, what can I say? So these are the different lids. This is the wide mouth, and this is the regular mouth that goes with the smaller. So just make sure you get the right lids for whatever jars you guys get. Okay, so I have a few supplements that I don't have in bags currently because they're new. So the first thing is this ashwagandha powder, and I've been adding it into my smoothies to help with anxiety. So it smells really gross, but if you only put a little bit in, it's good. I already have a Lily's chocolate chip jar, so I'm just gonna add these into that jar. And then I may or may not do this butterfly pea powder. I think I will put it in a jar, probably one of the smaller ones, one of the medium-sized ones like this, just because it's not a ton of powder. And then I have some almond flour that I want to put in a jar as well. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do that. I'm going to start with the ashwagandha powder, and I just take a piece of paper, like a piece of printer paper, and I roll it up so that when I pour it in, it doesn't spill everywhere. And I'm just going to take it and pour it in to the piece of paper. in case you're worried about forgetting when they expire, I just wrote on the back in the same marker when they expire, just so I know and so I don't eat anything that is expired. So I'm just gonna start putting everything back. Hi, my face looks really big. But I'm gonna put flowers in the back and then whatever else in the middle, and then the smaller jars in the front. So I'm just gonna start putting everything back in the shelf. I used to have like baking stuff and everything in this top shelf up here, but I decided I want to put everything health related up there, like all my teas and everything. So these are all the teas that I have. I have some puka tea, chai, smooth move for when, you know, you need some help, chamomile, and then I also just got this little container at the Container Store and I just think it looks so pretty. So I'm going to put that up here, and then I'm going to put my other teas as well. So I have the Puka Relax tea that I love, and then this herbal organics from Trader Joe's ginger turmeric herbal tea. So I'm going to put these both up here. And then I have a Lily's chocolate bar that I won in a giveaway, so I'm going to put this up here as well. And then there were just a couple things that didn't fit down below, so I'm just gonna put these up there. Some popcorn kernels, chocolate PB2, and poppy seeds. And then I have a sugar replacement. I want to keep it in the bag just so I know exactly like the ratios. It has quite a lot of information, so I want to keep this bag. I'm just gonna put this up here as well. And then the next thing is I just have these little stevia drops. I really like them. They're good for like chai, matcha, coffee, whatever you like to drink. Just add some of this. And then finally my spirulina that I put in my shakes every day, and I just like to keep this because I want the information on it as well. And so I'm just keeping it in this jar, but this is my spirulina for my smoothies. I just wanted to add this little glass, it's like a glass square container. I decided to put like my healthy treats in here, as well as this is just some like energy. I try not to drink it because it's color, it's like food coloring. I bought it a while ago. I don't really know if I want to throw it away. These are some rescue ginger. It's for when you have a stomach ache or you're nauseous. It's for your digestion. It's for like all that kind of stuff. I have some of these Noon tablets that are also for energy. All my straws and my straw cleaner, my reusable straws. And then down here I have some vitamin C, or the Emergency, and then these turmeric latte mixes that I got at Trader Joe's. So I'm just going to kind of put all of this stuff in here. Actually, I'm not going to put these things in here. I'm going to put them over in this container. I just feel like they're messing up my healthy vibe in here. My straws. And here you go. Here's that nice little organized cupboard. Alright you guys, that's it for my health food cupboard organization video. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I'll have everything linked down below in case you guys want to organize your own health cupboard. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.